everybody, we're here on the new Lightning Donks machine. We've triggered respin and repeat. Alright, so first time getting both of these. Oh, golden bonus awarded. What does that mean? Here. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Hit it. Hit it again. Give it another whack. Ah. Alright, so that becomes the golden. Oh, 615 on the golden. I don't know what's happening. We get the 6. Yeah. Okay, so 615 every time we get a golden symbol. Hey, we got one. All right, let's get some more. Yay! Yes, yes. Yes. Uh-oh, this could do it. Ah, that's gonna do it. But we have more bonuses coming, so don't go anywhere. All right, here we go. So more greens, I guess, would be good, right? Come on, greens. Well, lots of reds, but I think we need greens for this to really pay off. All right, could be it. That's gonna do it. So 1665 brings our total to 7340. Nice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Like and subscribe. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.